It was over a century ago in Menlo Park, New Jersey, that Thomas Edison opened the world's first laboratories dedicated to research and development. With his model of team-based inventing, he and his labs earned over 1,000 patents for products and utilities still in use today. Inspired by Thomas Edison, the Edison Awards honors and celebrates game-changing innovation and the innovation teams and visionaries of today. In categories such as aerospace and agriculture, sustainability and medicine, and dozens more, an Edison Award recognizes that you've solved a problem, brought a product or service to market, and made a positive impact on the world. In the sustainability category for environmental impact, SINOMAX is the deserving recipient of the prestigious 2022 Silver Edison Award for their Ecossentials sleep kit with sustainable shift packaging. SINOMAX is a global manufacturer and distributor of polyurethane comfort products, specializing in memory foam mattresses, pillows, and mattress toppers. As a global leader, SINOMAX has taken steps toward improving their sustainability efforts while reducing the company's global carbon footprint. SINOMAX's Ecossentials sleep kit with sustainable shift packaging is a game changer because it features a USDA-certified, plant-based Biossentials memory foam pillow, carefully wrapped inside a condensed package comprised of reduced waste, recycled content. Each packaged kit comes with plantable seeds and allows the user to create a uniquely designed planter. SINOMAX's sustainable shift packaging and dedication to reduce the environmental impact of the sleep industry will contribute to a more sustainable future. We are proud to honor SINOMAX. Congratulations! As a recipient of an Edison Award, you have demonstrated excellence. Like Thomas Edison himself, you are a global beacon, driving innovation and making all our lives better with the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Thank you, SINOMAX.